In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause history on Google Chrome on your PC. This quick and simple process can offer you an added layer of privacy while browsing the web. When you pause your browsing history, Chrome will stop saving the websites you visit, as well as your searches and other related activities. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, take your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. That's where you'll find your profile icon, typically represented by your photo or a generic silhouette if you haven't added a photo yet. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu with several options related to your Google account. Among these options, you need to select Manage Your Google Account. This particular option is a gateway to various settings and controls associated with your Google presence. Clicking on it will open a new tab that takes you to your Google account settings. Now, direct your focus to the left sidebar of the page. Here, you'll notice various categories that help organize your account preferences and settings. What you want to click on is Data and Privacy. This section is where Google consolidates all settings related to how it uses your data and how you can manage it. As you scroll through the page, look for a section labeled History Settings. This is centrally located for easy access, and it aggregates options that involve your data history across Google services. Under this section, you'll find Web and App Activity. Clicking here is the next critical step, as it directly ties into your browsing history management. Here's where the actual magic happens. Notice the toggle switch next to Web and App Activity. To pause your browsing history, simply turn this toggle off. Doing so will stop Chrome from keeping a record of your web and app activity, ensuring greater privacy. However, Google wants to make sure you're aware of this change, so a confirmation window will appear. This is a safeguard against accidental changes. To proceed, you will need to click Pause. This confirms your decision to halt the tracking of your browsing activities. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully paused your browsing history on Google Chrome. Remember, this is a reversible process. If you decide later on that you want to keep track of your browsing activity again, you can follow these same steps to turn the toggle back on. Whether you're optimizing for privacy or simply prefer to keep your browsing activities private temporarily, managing your Chrome history settings gives you control over how your data is handled. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.